What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And in this video I want to bring you a pretty unique case for smartphones out there. This happens to be because I happen to use an iPhone 15 Pro Max. That's what these cases we're going to demo. Now, I don't know if you've heard of SUTI, but yeah, it's basically a suit for your phone, right? So if I'm pronouncing this right, that would be kind of a nice play on words, because it is basically just dressing up your phone. You're not putting it in a case in the normal aspects of what you think of a phone case. Maybe it's SUTI. I think it's SUTI. Okay, but so let's just check them out. I love the presentation here. They've got it spelled out, and then the color of the case shines through on their logo. So that's a pretty unique little design. And it says, "Get your phone back," right? So they're all about minimalism, and I tell you what, this is minimalism like I haven't seen it. It's made of silicone. Is it going to protect your phone? Hell no. Okay, it's going to protect the back from scratches and maybe your lenses. It's not going to protect the front. It's not going to protect the sides. And if you drop it, they ain't going to help you there. Okay? But if you're into minimalism, you want to protect the back of your phone, you want to give it a little pizzazz or style, then this might be a case for you. And you can use it to basically kind of mix and match too on stuff. I've got red and black here, and you can see my shades are, and if you've seen the video for these are the Ray-Ban Ferrari collaboration. So, you know, red black. So if you want to start doing a little matching of your EDC or your gear or what you wear and what you carry, then this could do it. So let's go ahead and open up. We'll do the black one first. So just a nice little pull and boom. And talk about even the packaging and stuff being minimalism. Look at this. So you have a Magsafe, basically magnet. Boom. I just installed that, and I have pretty much a natural iPhone with a little bit of a case. And I remember I said it's MagSafe compatible, so let's put this on here. Boom. And it's got a nice strong magnet in it. This doesn't come off. How strong a magnet? When it's pretty defined like that, that's a pretty strong magnet. Okay? So you're not going to lose stuff. You're not going to lose wallets. Here's just a little Belkin clip. So if you even want to accessorize it a little bit more with a stand, gives you the ability. That's kind of a nice little combination, isn't it? Yeah, I just did that. So you could actually, you know, put a little stand on here. This is actually a continuity camera hook. Although you can use your phone as your webcam with a MacBook Pro. So as you can see here, we've got a nice little way to also kind of put our finger in here and hold our phone. So this is actually a really good combination, because with less protection, it is probably a good idea to have some kind of extra grip on your phone. So if I drop it, my finger's going to catch it. So I actually endorse this combination highly, or a pop socket or something that if you want to put on it, there you go. So I also have this anchor ring. So same concept. If you want just a little bit less, this is just like a Magsafe ring. And then again, it's got a little thing you can use as a kickstand, right? Or put your finger through it, because you're using a very minimal phone case. Alright, left a little speck there. Fingerproof, look at that. This matte black doesn't show fingerprints. That's awesome. Does it give your lenses very much protection? No, not very much. You can see they're pretty much flush. There's no lip. It's got a camera ring, but it's just encasing the outer. So again, not the best when it comes to protection, but if you're into minimalism, you want to see that titanium shine through, it's pretty nice. You don't want to screw with your ports, your buttons, that's for you. Alright, let's look at the red. Remember, mix and match. This is an easy way to swap cases. Look at that. I don't think I've ever swapped a case faster. There you go. You can even mix and match with this. A little black. Black on red. That totally matches my sunglasses here. Black on red, black on red. There you go. See how easy that is? See how fun that is? That's pretty kick butt. So, I will have a link in the show notes. Full disclosures, SUTI did send these to the channel to review. So, they have not reviewed this content, nor have they, edited it or suggested any kind of modifications. This is my unbiased review. And again, there's not a lot to review, except they have good magnets. They are quick and easy. They do protect the back of your phone. They are minimalist. They're silicone based. They don't show fingerprints. You get a pretty decent look. I really like it. I'm good with that. Check out their website. I'll have a link in the show notes. You can go check out all their other cases, colors, and all those. And you can mix and match and do what you want. And I have brought you one of the coolest cases, probably, because that is a unique design and very, very fast to swap out. So you're basically showing your, I don't know, your individualism, right? What you like. This is kind of a cool setup. Again, like it, subscribe, hit the little notification bell to get notified when we release new content. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.